Welcome to Goa Batmi Chavis Toss. My name is Harpreet Singh. I'm here to spread the news in briefly. The National Fire Service Day was observed today, which was organized by the Directorate of Fire and Emergency Services in collaboration with the Office of the Chief Electoral Officer. The chief guest for the function, Shri Sanjeet Rodriguez, IAS, reviewed the ceremonial parade. Also awarded to the various ranks of the departmental operational fire personnel at the hands of Shri Sanjeet Rodriguez, IAS, Secretary, Government of Goa, and Shri Nitin V. Rakher, Director, Fire and Emergency Services.
Secretary Protocol, Government of Goa, distinguished invitees, members of the press and electronic media, my retired and serving colleague officers, staff of the fire and emergency services, children, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning and welcome to this very solemn and important function of the Directorate of Fire and Emergency Services. Today, 14th of April, is observed as the 80th National Fire Service Day across the country by all the fire service. This day is also called as a Martyrs' Day to pay homage to the brave firefighters who sacrificed their life in the massive fire and explosion on 14th of April 1944 on Victoria Dock at Mumbai Port, in which our 71 firefighters lost their life to save life and property of the nation. We pay our humble homage to the memory of the brave firefighters who laid down their life in saving life of the others. They serve as a beacon of courage and dedication to duty. Today's function is organized by the Directorate of Fire and Emergency Services in collaboration with the Office of the Chief Electoral Officer, Goa, in saving life and property of the nation. In spite of all precautions, the incident do occur either through human error or through accident. During the period 2023-24, the fire and emergency services have collectively attended 8,000 fire and emergency calls, out of which 3,000 fire incidents and 5,000 emergency incidents have been occurred, during which 194 human lives and 757 animal lives were saved, and around 2,000 children participated in the poster competition. The children who have been selected best in the poster competition will be felicitated today with the hands of the chief guest, Shri Sanjeet Rodriguez sir. I once again welcome you all for sparing your valuable and precious time for gracing this event. Thank you very much. Dev Barekaru.
Fire and Emergency Services, all the ranks of the Directorate, dignitaries gathered for today's function, the press, and all children present here. Let me at the outset join each one of you in paying homage to the firemen martyrs of this noble profession in India, who have laid down their lives in our mission in a mission they have adopted to save lives. Their dedication to this cause, to their mission, to their work, their valor, their selflessness, and their sense to duty today inspires millions of Indians all around. I would like to pay homage to each and every martyr for this cause. I would like to dwell on this on two parts. Ensure fire safety. This assurance of fire safety lies with each one of us and lies with every section of society. And we need to ensure that this message of our responsibility as a citizen goes to each and every segment of society and everyone. And it is our own endeavor, our own mission, and we have to make this a mission in our lives to ensure this fire safety. And this can be done in simple ways, simple manners, just by being aware.
8व्या प्लाटूनाचे पुढारपण मिळतात स्टेशन ऑफिसर गणेश गोवेकर. संगीताच्यो सुरेश सुरावटी, वातावरणान खेळय अग्निशमन दलाचो वाद्यवृंद सगळो फुडें आयिल्लो आसा. पुढारपण करतात हेडमास्टर आंतोनियो आझावेदो. नवो प्लाटून घेवन फुडें आयिल्ल्यान स्टेशन ऑफिसर धीरज देसाई. धावो आनी निमाणो प्लाटून घेवन प्लाटूनाचे मुखेलपण मिरयतात स्पेशल फायर ऑफिसर रुपेश नायक. सुप्रभात. ओम सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःख भाग भवेत्. ओम शांति शांति शांति. May all सगळ्यांना मागता की हांगाच रावचे, भुरग्यांक घेवन मातशें ग्रावंडार येवचे न्हय, मातशें भुरग्यांक घेवन ग्रावंडार येवचे न्हय, भितर रावचे. आतां आमी प्रात्यक्षिकांक सुरवात करता. फायर फायटिंग रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशनाची डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशनाक सुरवात करता. हांव सगळ्यां लागीं मागता की कोणेच ग्रावंडार येवचे न्हय, खासा करून भुरग्यांक ग्रावंडार धाडचे न्हय. तुमी आतां जे म्हज्या उजव्या हाताक प्रात्यक्षीक पळयता ते टर्न टेबल लॅडराचे हे जे जंपिंग कुशन आसा सकयल दवरलेले, जेन्ना एखाद्या टायमार कोण डिस्ट्रेसान आसता तेन्ना हे जंपिंग कुशन आमी वापरतात. म्हणजे वयल्यातल्यान कोणे ह्या जंपिंग कुशनाचेर उडी मारली जाल्यार तो साल्वार जावंक शकता. फक्त हाजे मार्गदर्शक तत्व आसा की लायव्ह मनीस ह्या जंपिंग कुशनाचेर
कॅमेरा तुझाच होता ना ते दितात मोबाईल दुसरो तो आयफोन आनी फ्राय कितें तरी करून मारताले अलाव करून तेज्या कडेन बायल आमकां दिता पाड पडटा फाटी या मरे पुढे होतं रे
चढ पुढे होता नका उदय येतला
response vehicle. ह्यो क्विक रेस्पॉन्स व्हेकल ट्रॅफिकांतल्यान वाट काढून बेगीन पावू शकतात म्हणून हाका क्विक रेस्पॉन्स व्हेकल म्हणटात. ह्या क्विक रेस्पॉन्स व्हेकलाचेर हाय प्रेशर पंप असता जातूंतल्यान वॉटर मिक्स टेक्नॉलॉजी यूज करून आमी खंयसर उजो पालोवंक शकता. हो हाय प्रेशर पंप जवळ जवळ 100 बार 100 बार प्रेशराचेर ऑपरेट जाता. कॉम्प्रेस्ड एअर फोम यूज करून आणि 3 लेयर्ड फायर रेजिस्टंट सूट असा. पहिले हे दार उघडे करता आणि क्राउलिंग करून ब्रिथिंग ॲपरेटस घालून भितर वतात. क्राउलिंग केल्ल्या कारणान स्मोकाची जी पनिशमेंट आसा ती कमी पडटा. अशे तरेन फायर फायटिंग करपाक विथ अ हँड काउंटर नोजल ते बिल्डिंगेन भितर तांणी एंट्री घेतलेली आसा. जे बिल्डिंगेन कोण ट्रॅप्ड आहा तांकां घेवन कॅज्युअलिटीज घेवन भायर आयिल्ले आसा. आणि अग्निशामक दलाक कळटा तेन्ना अग्निशामक दलाची गाडी त्या जाग्यार पावता. आता हे स्मोक सिम्युलेशन चेंबरान भितर उजो लागिल्लो आसा आणि थंय लोक ट्रॅप जाल्ले आसा. आता तुम्ही जो पळयता की 2 जाण जवान ब्रिथिंग ॲपरेटस सायड घालून फायर फायटिंग करीत पर्सनल प्रोटेक्टिव्ह इक्विपमेंट